Misal, it's a traditional Maharashtrian dish known for its vibrant mix of spice, texture and flavors. It consists of a spicy curry that is sample or rassa made from beans or usur. It is topped with crunchy farsan, chopped onions, tomatoes and coriander. It is served with bread or pav. This dish is celebrated across Maharashtra and is one of the favorite breakfast dishes of all the people here. It comes across various regional variations like Puneri Misal, Kolhapuri Misal, Nashik Misal and even Khandeshi Misal. Each one of them has their own proportions and a unique blend. There's even a lot of competition and rivalry between these misals over which is the best misal out there. So in this video, I'll be taking you through 5 misals, rating them and finding out which is the best one of them. Let's go. Hello and welcome to another vlog. I'm doing a vlog after a long time. This is my first vlog after coming back from Oman. Wanted to make some videos that might be relatable to the audience, and majority of my audience is in Pune. Everyone likes to eat food. So Pune food is the topic of this vlog. The first misal that we try is the Bhadait misal. Bhadait misal closes at 3 PM, but because I'm making this video, one misal has been adjusted for me. So it's going to be a little spicy. I've already had the warning, but let's now see what Bhadait misal is like. So because I'm not much into spicy food, I'll give Bhadait misal a 6.5 out of 10. But overall the place has great staff and the people are hospitable. So he actually runs this place. So तुमची फेवरेट मिसळ कुठली आहे पुण्यात?
आमचीच मिसळ भाडे मिसळ.
स्पेशल काय आहे मिसळबद्दल?
मिसळ म्हणजे आपली 1991 पासून मिसळ चालू आहे. आपली छोटी हातगाडी होती, त्याच्यानंतर आम्ही हे मोठ्या प्लेसमध्ये आत्ता पुण्यामध्ये सगळ्यात मोठं आपलं 4000 स्क्वेअर फूटचं आत्ता सिटिंग अरेंजमेंटचं आहे. आपल्या मिसळचं स्पेशल म्हणजे आपली मिसळ खाल्ल्यानंतर कोणाला त्रास होत नाही नॉर्मली, आणि सेम टेस्ट आहे जेव्हापासून आत्तापर्यंत आहे टेस्ट सेमच.
काय स्पेशल इन्ग्रेडियंट काय तुमचं?
स्पेशल इन्ग्रेडियंट्स म्हणजे पुदिना असतो, त्याच्यानंतर मसाले असतात, प्युअर मसाले असतात सगळे, त्याच्यामुळे टेस्ट ती सेमच राहते पहिल्यापासून. म्हणजे त्रास होत नाही दुसरे कुणाला खाल्ल्यानंतर त्या मिसळचा त्रास.
तुम्ही बोलले माझी मिसळ जर तिखट असणार तर मला त्रास होईल का उद्या?
नाही नाही अजिबात नाही. तुम्ही सांगू शकता दुसऱ्या दिवशी येऊन की त्रास झाला का नाही.
And this is Hemant, the owner of the place. तुम्ही भाड्यात मिसळला आउट ऑफ 10 किती रेटिंग द्याल?
10 असं सांगता येत नाही. म्हणजे माझं एक वैयक्तिक मत कसं आहे माहिती आहे का, रेटिंग म्हणण्यापेक्षा आहे ना, आता जर माझ्याकडे जर 10 माणसं आली मिसळ खायला तर सगळ्यांनाच मिसळ आवडेल असंही नाही होत. प्रत्येकाची आवड निवड वेगळी असते. 10 पैकी 8 लोकांना 7 लोकांना आवडली तरी भरपूर झालं.
At number 2 we have बेडेकर मिसळ. I've also heard की इधर का थोड़ा मीठा होता है मिसळ, but let's go inside and see how it is. So here we are at Bedekar Misal, and with me, you won't believe, I have Aditya Bedekar, who's the owner of this place. Aditya, how are you, man?
Hi guys, I'm nice.
Why don't you tell me about the history of this place, how it started, why it started, and what is its current state?
So basically our brand is 75 years old and I am the 4th generation now looking after the business. The secret behind our recipe is that it is sweet, sour and spicy. There is a mixture of flavors and it comes from a traditional dal that is usually made in the Maharashtrian household, which has jaggery. Then there's goda masala, which is a traditional Maharashtrian masala. All that is the base of our gravy.
So how much would you rate Bedekar on a scale of 1 to 10?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Damn, 9 out of 10 is, I think, hard to beat. But even I like it. What I like about it the most is that it's not very spicy. Pasina jo hai, it's because of the heat that's in Pune. It's not because of the misal being spicy. I like the pulses. They are perfectly cooked. Not too raw, not too soft either. So I think I'll go with an 8.7. That's a wrap from Bedekar Misal. Aditya, thank you so much, man. Take care. I then went to a misal exhibition to try out various misals under one roof. And here it is. It is the Sakar Misal Utsav. Tumchi avarti Bedekar Misal. At this exhibition, there were about 12 different misals from all over Maharashtra. So there are many misals over here, but I and Samit have decided that we'll try 4 of them, 4 or 5 of them, depending on how hungry we are. So first one that we are trying is Doodh Misal. So Santosh is going to tell us what is different in Doodh Misal and why it is called Doodh Misal in the first place.
मिसळ जे याला एक कोल्हापूरची परंपरा आहे. कोल्हापूरला राधानगरी नावाचं गाव आहे, तिकडे घरोघरी दूध आमटी नावाचा एक प्रकार बनवला जातो. तर त्या पारंपरिक पद्धतीवर आम्ही एक नवीन तशीच रेसिपी डेव्हलप केली. जशी त्या पारंपरिक पद्धतीनं दूध मिसळला जे भाज्या बनवतात त्या भाज्या बाजूला काढून आम्ही त्याच्यामध्ये मटकी टाकली आणि याच्यामध्ये काजू बदामची पेस्ट टाकून, याला कांदा नाही जात, आणि काजू बदामाची पेस्ट टाकून आम्ही दुधापासून याचं एक मटकी टाकून सॅम्पल वेगळं तयार केलेलं आहे.
एक मिसळ द्या ना.
हो सर.
So Doodh wali misal, how much out of 10?
6. Mild आहे खूपच.
6 out of 10. I think same for me. 6 out of 10. Hello, Mr. Doozle. How are you? And now, because I'm nearly full, I'm passing the baton of this vlog to my sister.
Now we are trying Kedar Misal.
So Kedar Misal from Kolhapur. How much would you rate this misal out of on a scale of 1 to 10?
Quite nice. I think 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah,
That's pretty
nice.
high. How much would you rate this? 8. 8. So I'm going to try this. Good enough. I think even I'll go with an 8 for this one. And damn, after 20 minutes in the line to show you what Khandeshi misal is like. Spicy. किती out of 10? How much would you rate it? 7.5. 7.5. Damn, and it is spicy. I'm not a huge fan of spicy food, so this Khandesh misal is gonna get a 6 from me. So after trying 5 misals, here are the ratings. Bhadait at 6.5 out of 10, Bedekar 9 out of 10, Doodh misal 6.5 out of 10, Kedar misal 8 out of 10 and Khandesh misal 6 out of 10. And the winner for this vlog is Bedekar misal. It's a great combination of spiciness, sourness and sweetness and I loved it. I must say that this is considering my spice tolerance, which is significantly lower than the average Maharashtrian person. So that's all from this vlog. If you're still watching this video, do let me know what you think about this video and also let me know what you'd like to see next. And thank you so much for tuning in. Do like, share and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.